A DeWalt 5 amp-hour battery costs $169 at Home Depot. Sold individually. One battery, $169. A DeWalt kit with drill, impact driver, two 5 amp-hour batteries, and a charger routinely goes on sale for $249. Two batteries, a drill, an impact driver, and a charger for $249. Two batteries by themselves for $338. The math on that comparison means each battery in the kit is effectively costing you $25, while each battery sold individually costs $169, a gap of nearly 700% between the same battery in two different purchasing contexts. And Menards, through its 14% markup cap, makes the kit entry price even lower than Home Depot charges. The battery pricing system that generates billions in recurring revenue for Stanley Black & Decker is documented, predictable, and entirely avoidable once you understand how it works. The same battery in a DeWalt kit costs effectively $20. That sentence requires a specific clarification. It costs $20 relative to the standalone price of the same battery when you factor in the value of the other items in the kit. A drill that retails as a bare tool for $149, plus two batteries at $169 each, plus a charger at $59, adds up to $546 worth of components priced individually. A kit containing all four items for $249 means the combined discount is nearly $300. Allocated across the two batteries, which were the components you actually needed, each battery cost you effectively $25 rather than $169. That is the fundamental pricing anomaly inside every DeWalt kit offer. It is not a secret. Both prices are published. What is not explained is that the same arithmetic that makes kit entry look like extraordinary value is also the arithmetic that makes standalone battery replacement look like extortion. To understand why those two prices coexist for the same product, you have to understand what cordless tool platforms are actually selling. DeWalt does not sell drills. DeWalt sells platform membership. The drill is the entry point. The batteries are the recurring revenue. A buyer who enters the DeWalt 20-volt platform and accumulates 6 tools over 3 years has also accumulated batteries, chargers, and a switching cost equal to the stranded value of all those batteries if they choose a different brand. DeWalt's battery pricing architecture is specifically designed to make initial platform entry appear excellent through kit deals where batteries are effectively free, while making ongoing platform participation expensive through standalone battery prices that reflect the full cost of manufacturing, distribution, retail margin, and the platform loyalty that the buyer has already committed to. The kit is the entry drug. The standalone battery is the maintenance cost. The repeat buyer trap is where the 700% battery price gap becomes a financial reality rather than an arithmetic curiosity. A buyer who entered the DeWalt platform through a $249 kit 3 years ago made a sound purchasing decision. Those two batteries at $25 each were excellent value. Today, that buyer needs 2 additional batteries for a second crew member, or to replace 2 batteries that have aged beyond useful capacity. They go to Home Depot. The same battery is $169. 2 batteries, $338. That is more than they paid for the original kit that included 2 batteries plus 2 tools plus a charger. The pricing has not changed. Their position in the purchasing cycle has. They are now the repeat buyer, and the repeat buyer pays the standalone price. If you are finding this useful, subscribe now. The rest of this video gives you the 4 specific rules that change the math on every DeWalt battery purchase you will ever make. Here is where the story stops being about kit pricing and starts being about what happened in 2025. Stanley Black & Decker announced high single-digit price increases on DeWalt tools and batteries in April of 2025, citing tariff exposure on Chinese-manufactured components. A second round of increases followed for the third quarter. The price increases were not uniform across the product line. Standalone battery prices absorbed more of the increase than kit prices, because kit promotional pricing was maintained to sustain platform entry, the mechanism that locks in new customers, while standalone battery prices, which are sold to customers already locked into the platform, absorbed the cost pressure that the promotional kit structure could not accommodate. The gap between what a new DeWalt buyer pays for batteries in a kit and what an existing DeWalt buyer pays for the same batteries standalone got wider in 2025, not narrower. The Menards variable changes the calculation at the kit entry point in a specific and documented way. Menards' 14% markup cap applies to DeWalt kit pricing the same way it applies to every other branded product in the store. A DeWalt drill and impact kit that retails at Home Depot for $249 is at Menards for whatever 14% above Menards' cost produces, and Menards' cost is lower than Home Depot's retail price because Menards does not carry the margin requirements of a chain with $36 billion in long-term debt. The 11% rebate applied on top of that produces an effective net kit price that is the lowest available through any authorized DeWalt retailer. The same kit that makes batteries effectively cost $25 each at Home Depot makes them effectively cost less than $20 each at Menards during a rebate event. The 4 rules that change the math on every DeWalt battery purchase from here forward are specific and immediately applicable. Rule 1. Never buy standalone batteries at full retail price. The math does not work. Buy kit bundles during promotional events instead, and the additional tools pay for themselves through the battery discount. Rule 2. Check Menards before Home Depot for any DeWalt kit purchase. The 14% cap and the 11% rebate produce the lowest authorized DeWalt kit price available. For a buyer making a large kit purchase, the difference is measurable in the same order of magnitude as the battery pricing gap itself. Rule 3. Time kit purchases around Home Depot's named promotional events: Pro Appreciation in June, Prime Day Adjacency in July, Labor Day, and Black Friday, when kit prices are reduced further and free battery or free tool promotions appear that effectively drop the battery cost per unit to near zero. Rule 4. When batteries age and need replacement, calculate whether a new kit bundle is cheaper than 2 standalone batteries. It frequently is. A bare drill plus 2 new batteries plus a charger as a bundle during a promotional event often costs less than 2 standalone batteries at regular price, and you get a second drill as a result. The $169 battery and the $25 battery are the same battery. The price difference is entirely a function of where you are in the purchasing cycle and whether you have applied any of the 4 rules before handing over your card. If this changed how you think about the next DeWalt purchase you are planning, subscribe. The battery pricing architecture inside every cordless platform is the same system, and the buyers who understand it before they buy are the ones keeping the most money.